NC multi-head multi-shaft combination drill. Up to 200 holes can be drilled separately or simultaneously in a coordinated manner. Drilling holes for various aluminum alloy profiles in various industries such as automotive parts, photovoltaics, new energy, etc. Outdoor furniture, camping, RV sunshade, umbrella folding table and chair, metal square tube porous drilling. On 13-long composite new materials such as fiberglass, multi-head and multi-axis efficient drilling. Simultaneously drilling and chamfering can be performed, combining the two processes into one for high efficiency and speed. High-strength welding, thick machine, stable operation. No dents or burrs on the front and back of the workpiece after drilling. Flexible design with strong expandability. Only one screw needs to be disassembled and reassembled to achieve rapid replacement of various special-shaped drilling die heads. Solve the problem of multi-axis drilling with small hole spacing, with a minimum drilling distance of 14 mm between two holes. Multiple shapes of workpieces, including long strips and irregular shapes, are matched with corresponding positioning and clamping modes. Automatic positioning and compression. Multi-axis automatic drilling. Aluminum alloy pipes for industrial buildings, such as solar photovoltaic brackets, can be drilled on both sides with high efficiency and in large quantities simultaneously.